The 2023 Honda Rebel 500 hasn't changed much since its inception, reminding us why this model has been so popular from the start. But what makes so many people buy it over and over? While Harley and Indian build large, heavy, big-capacity cruisers, Honda chose to make theirs light and approachable. The Rebel 500 has one of the lowest seats available on the market at just over 27 inches. Of course, taller riders might feel a bit cramped on board. The Rebel 500 features the liquid-cooled 471cc parallel twin engine, providing quality bottom-end torque with smooth power delivery. This engine can outlast pretty much anything. The Rebel 500 features nitrogen-filled rear shocks with comfort-tuned spring rates. When paired to simple 41mm forks up front, the Rebel offers neutral, predictable handling that will help build confidence in newer riders. It prevents rear wheels from locking up. You get a lighter clutch pull. It reduces drastic engine braking. What's not to like? It might get pricey if you decide to DIY some maintenance on the clutch, though. The Rebel 500 is blacked out, including the engine and bodywork, stepping away from chrome aesthetic cruisers favored in the past. It gets LED lighting all around to last longer than older bulbs. It's a cruiser for riders who aren't preoccupied with a certain lifestyle and simply want their bike to work and look good. The design of the subframe helps keep the rider in a relaxed position, as the handlebars and mid-controls provide a very natural riding position. As long as it's just you riding, the Rebel is easy to maneuver and live with. With the Rebel 500, you can easily set your bike up for riding solo or take a passenger along in style. The removable seat, optional passenger seat, and foot pegs are simple bolt-on parts. Honda effectively sells you a blank canvas. It's you who fills it with ideas. The fuel tank holds around 3 gallons, and Honda claims each gallon offers at least 67 miles of range. This allows the Rebel 500 to boast a range of up to 187 miles. On the highway, most riders claim their Honda gets upwards of 70 mpg.